Watch closely! A foreign guy grabs a giant python as thick as a thigh, and without caring whether the snake agrees or not, he shoves it straight into a small puddle without a word. Is he trying to suffocate the python? Soon, the entire body of the python slips right in. Then something amazing happened. The water in the hole started surging out for no apparent reason, and 3 big catfish suddenly popped up from the puddle. It seemed like the guy was prepared for this. He reached into the puddle, scooped around a couple of times, and pulled them out right away. So what exactly is going on here? Turns out the giant python is actually the guy's fishing partner. The guy trained it for 2.5 years before it developed such a skill. What other strange and unusual creatures can this giant python catch? I have to say, this bizarre way of fishing is truly ingenious. The seeds are munching on crispy snacks, magically entering Mickey's clubhouse. It's just magical all around. Meanwhile, the catfish are still splashing out one after another. Very soon, the guy had caught about 10 kilos of catfish. Seeing that it was about enough, with a whistle from the guy, the giant python swam out of the pit on its own. Seeing how hard the python worked, it definitely deserves an extra chicken leg tonight. So here's the question.